like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you.
Just for the record, just for the record.
If they like me, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, lubedu. Lego sing a sala when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. Till I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. What's on the Starbucks sign? What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Made a glass the way you sit through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. Nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to take me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. I'ma tell you, feeling not scared. Learning to be grateful for myself.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
This one I bet you really jabba. Me, I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do da. What's it gonna be? All depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commendate. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. Plenty, so far baby face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you're my subscriber, my dear one, thank you so much for always tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm having a very busy morning, so I wanted to open the vlog and say hi guys. Hope you guys are having a really good time. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Yeah, so I wanted to show you today's outfit before we head out. We're about to go to Game to buy a new fridge. So yeah, let me show you what I'm wearing for today. So I'm wearing this t-shirt that says good things take time, and then I'm wearing my flare pants that I got from Shein, and my usual slides, my errand slides, you know them of course. Guys, I really hope you enjoy this vlog. I'll see you when we get back. Bye for now.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Hi guys, so we are back. We got the fridge. They said they're gonna deliver around 5 o'clock. So now the thing is, I put out a post on Facebook Market that I'm selling the old fridge, so the person who bought it is on their way to get it. So now I'm waiting for that, and yeah, and then later on we're also gonna go out to buy a few things. I honestly no longer like vlogging while we shopping, because I feel like all my vlogs include grocery shopping and all of that. So I don't know guys, but we'll see. Now we're just gonna wait for the fridge guy to arrive so that Game can deliver the new fridge, and then yeah, I'll see you then.
We take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill, and I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da, missing that
So guys, Game delivered the fridge. I am so tired because I know I have a lot of work to do. So I don't know if I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get back or tomorrow, but let's go and do the things, and then I'll see you guys. Yes.
all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, you toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Surfing on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn Don Julio made
welcome to another day of the vlog. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. So I quickly want to show you our fridge. Yes, I want to show you our fridge, and then yeah guys, I also went to Cleg's name. And wait, hey guys, so girlies who use this, whining and splaggy guys, like honestly, whining and splaggy guys, I am sold. Sobe is the girl she thinks she is. It smells so good. Like initially I thought I was gonna buy the pink one only, but unfortunately it was not there. This was the only one left. It's rejuvenating body wash. It has kiwi, collagen, vitamin A and B3. It smells amazing, so I'm plugging you guys to go get this baby. Let me show you our fridge, and then I'll see you guys later. I'll see.
And I'm tryna hit the
So guys, yeah, that's it from me. I hope this video has enough content guys, because I'm trying to push watch hours, so I don't want anything below 20 minutes. So if it's below 20 minutes, my bad. Please watch the full video, I beg you. And if you've reached this far, please drop a pink heart. Please drop a pink heart. Hope you enjoyed guys. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.